Hey everybody, and welcome back to TheErinSpace. My name's Erin, and this is indeed and in fact my little space of the internet. Thanks so much for finding it and for clicking on this video. Tonight we are off to Dodger Stadium, but not to see just any Dodger game. I'm born and bred East Coast Boston Red Sox fan, baby. And I'm not sure why or how, because I'm pretty sure that these teams aren't normally supposed to play each other, but by some stroke of the schedule, the Boston Red Sox are playing the Los Angeles Dodgers in LA, and I'm about to go. So let's head up to Dodger Stadium. Let's be real, probably get a Dodger dog, and then see the boys in blue play my Red Sox, my beloved Red Sox. I think it's gonna be a really, really fun night. I'm gonna walk around the stadium a little bit, see what I can show you. I was just there a couple months ago for Hello Kitty night. I'll link that video down below. So we saw some cool stuff that night. I'll try to get maybe some new stuff in that we didn't get to see that night. But I'm really excited to see the Red Sox. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and maybe a shaboop-a-doop-a-doop subscribe if you're enjoying these videos, because I enjoy making them. So let's go head up to Dodger Stadium, watch the Red Sox, and get dinner and a game. We're back, Dodger Stadium, for the Friday night game. It's very exciting.
Super exciting.
Got LA downtown there, Dodger Stadium ahead of us. Now we got to make the trek over from the parking lot to the stadium in dinner time. I'm very excited for food. Carly's back in the vlog. We have new subscribers.
Oh,
they might not know you. This is Carly. As I like to refer to her as friend of the vlog. Friend of the vlog, Carly. So yeah, it's Friday night. We're at Dodger Stadium. There's helicopters going above overhead. We got our Dodger Pride merch on, and we're gonna go see them. You know, I was torn, but the only Boston thing I have is a winter beanie, and it's about 2,000 degrees. So I went Dodger blue. We just made our way through security. We're through the gates and the DJ's going off. And we might buy, are you gonna get your tickets here for the 50-50? We always play the 50-50 lottery. We're gonna grab our tickets for that and then go inside and get some food. But yeah, it is a party atmosphere up here. Red Sox Dodgers. So we just bought our 50-50 raffle tickets, and that guy called us, what did he call us both? We're gorgeous, and we're gorgeous and we shouldn't settle.
We're gonna leave a
Trail of Tears. Pizza gets delivered right to your seat. Cheese or pepperoni. It's time for the national anthem, and Carly's gonna buy pizza. Pizza. What's so proudly at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars. I never want to eat nachos if they're not out of a baseball helmet. Sweet, sassy, molasses, these are good. Carne asada, cheese, beans, pips. It all comes in a Dodger hat with this view. Yeah. selling his peanuts. Peanuts.
Peanuts!
Woo! Swinging them.
Cracker Jacks!
We gotta play under review. Under review.
The call's been overturned. The runner is safe.
In other news, the guy walking around selling peanuts and Cracker Jacks got to me. And I got a big giant ass bag of Cracker Jacks. OG. I'm about to snack down on these. It's a really big bag of Cracker Jacks. Delightful. Classic in every Dodger game, the food truck race. I always say blue. What do you say, red? Oh, white. And I always say blue. Let's go blue. Let's go blue. Let's go blue. Come on, blue. Go blue. Let's go blue. Pulling up the rear. Let's go, girl. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ooh, this is bringing me back to being in Vegas. Woo! Let's go blue. Ah, the nachos. Let's go blue. Oh, no. He got mustarded. My guy got mustarded. Come on, punch it, Blue. Punch it. Punch it. Punch it. Punch it. Ah! Yeah! Woo! Don't bet against Blue, baby. Is he coming? Oh, top tier, top tier. It made it, it made it, it did it. Woo! Yeah. Here we go, here we go. Oh, it's all three decks. They did it, they did it. Peanuts and Cracker Jacks. 'Cause it's root for the dog. Woo! drone show, and they opened up the field, and everybody's running down on it. We made the executive decision to not run down to the field because we didn't want to be around all the people, and we have really nice seats right here, so we're going to be just watching the drone show from right here. But if you wanted to, you could go down on Dodger Stadium. Drone show time! Let's go! The game is over, but we're about to go into the official Dodger store. Let's see if we can pick up some merch, although I don't need any more merch. I have so much merch. This is a cool store. We've gotten cool stuff in here before. Nice hat.
Look at the Otani socks.
Oh, cute. I like this too. Look at this cool LA jersey.
Yeah.
Everyone's coming in here. We've definitely bought stuff in here before. That's so cute! 1988 World Series.
Yeah.
I love it.
Legit.
Blanket, golf shirt.
Oh, these are the old school logos.
B.
47.
What does the B stand for?
These were when the Dodgers were originally, I think, over in Boston.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I gotta look that one up.
The Dodgers
I like
weren't
these hats.
originally from LA. They moved.
So much cute stuff. Get that baseball. You can get that crying baby. So many hats. I got my dad a hat here, I think. We got cool Star Wars merch here on Star Wars night. Stickers. Pins. I got that. I got the stuffed hot dog here that time.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, these are earrings.
Like their pens.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, come in here after the game if you get a chance. Don't bring your babies though. That baby does not want to be here. Oh, LA Bear. We found some cool Japanese merch. Oh, that's why he's on the Japanese merch shirts. So cool. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, look, you can get Otani in the actual.
Didn't you want one of his shirts? Did you want to look for his shirt? What kind did you want?
I don't know. I think I want the one with the kanji on the back.
That's really cool. How cool is that? The Los Angeles Dodgers, but it's the Avengers.
From Marvel.
That's cool. Oh, and we discovered it was the Brooklyn Dodgers. So you can get an OG Brooklyn Dodgers cap if you wanted to.
Something with the B. I was close.
I'm like, and I was like, I don't know, maybe they were in Boston before. My Boston roots are gonna come get me. And then we found, what's his first name?
Shohei.
We found Shohei's Yamamoto's shirt.
No, Yamamoto. It's Otani.
Oh, 17. He's 17. Yamamoto's 18. Oh yeah, there it is. Number 17. I see it over there.